everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to place my little Christmas lights. Now I am selling these and I can do different sizes and they do glow in the dark. So if you guys are interested, let me know. But I'm going to show you how to apply them. I'm just going to do a simple set here. Okay, got me some Elite 99 black. This is the pink Azure. And let's get busy. it over the top of these. Now, like I said, guys, these do glow in the dark. And at the end of the video, I will show you in a photo of how they glow in the dark. How they look anyway. Like I said, if you guys are interested in these, just get a hold of me on Instagram or leave me a comment down below or get a hold of me on my email. Okay, I'll put this in and give it a full cure. Alrighty, got that out of the oven or light, whatever you call it. And this is my Christmas lights. And these are the sizes that I can do, or I can make them a little bit bigger, or these are just a rough thing because I just got those done, but that's the end result, you guys. So like I said, if you're interested in them, give me a holler.